What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1. And first off, as you can see, I'm not jailbroken yet. I do not have Cydia. Now, what you need to do is simply, on your iOS device, start your Safari browser and then go to this address here, pangu12.mobile. And here you will get a brief explanation how this works, and they will tell you that you can't install Cydia on a device that has not been jailbroken, but you can of course install apps that have been approved by Apple. So the Pangu team simply hid Cydia inside of an approved application, and the result is that you get an approved application that you can install on your device. And when you start this application, then the jailbreak and installation of Cydia also starts in the background. So go to pangu12.mobile and then scroll to the bottom, and then click on this little icon here. And now you're taken to the free jailbreak injected apps store, and all of these apps here are of course 100% free, and they are all jailbreak injected. They all have Cydia and the jailbreak hidden inside them. So just pick an app and install it. And as I said before, when you start this app, then the jailbreak and installation of Cydia starts in the background. So you need to download this app and then start it up. When you do that, you need to wait for about 30 seconds to give the jailbreak time to install itself. There we go. And now we just need to wait for about 30 seconds or so. You don't really have to do anything in the app. The important thing is that you keep the app open for about 30 seconds or so. And I think that should be enough time. So now we are simply going to restart our device. And we shall see pretty soon after we start the device. We will pretty soon see if it worked or not. And let's start it up. And if you wonder about that blinking light there, it's the proximity sensor. You can't see it with your naked eye, but you can see it if you record your phone. So I've had funny comments in the past like, it's a fake iPhone, but it's not. And if you don't believe me, simply try it yourself. Just record your phone while you use it, and you will see that you also get that blinking light. And there's the Pangu symbol. That's a good sign that the jailbreak has worked. And when the phone is finished booting up, we should see Cydia. And it should also prompt us to upgrade the files inside Cydia. There we go, and this Cydia. We can just ignore that error message. It should go away once you upgraded. Once you've done a complete upgrade. I'm just going to ignore that for now. So I'm just going to show you that everything is working. So yeah, there you got it. That's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1. And if you like this video, please do me a favor and comment, rate and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and have a great day.